family, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video of me cleaning out my refrigerator. So we are renters and it's very hard to keep a renter refrigerator clean. You know, those ones that are just stark white. They're super tiny and it's not really functional. So my goal is to make it a little more functional, get it organized. I did my freezer a while back. I'll insert pictures and so you guys can check it out. So let's get into it. We have a lot of random items. We are subscription food eaters. We do still purchase our own food. So our refrigerator is packed full of random items, small objects, big. So we'll get into it. Come on, say hi, Louie. Say hi. All right, let's do this. This is my gross fridge. Oh my goodness. But I'm so rude. I'm Brittney Milove, the content creator for MiloveOfLife.com, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so I got everything out of my refrigerator and this is what it's looking like. As you can see, I still don't really have a lot of space, but we'll make it work. Let me get it's gross and dirty. Gross. And this all came from the fridge. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how I got all that stuff in there. So embarrassing. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through all this stuff. I'll record it, so that way I'm not gonna be one of those YouTubers that say they're decluttering and then they end up just throwing everything away. That's not fair. So let me go through this stuff right now and then I'll go ahead and come back to you guys. I don't want to do it. So I just want to let you guys watch and jam out to the music while I struggle in this tiny fridge. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.
Not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me, need me. Living in the summer. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's...
The fun part about mixing around and organizing your space is that everything is not permanent. You are free to move things around however it works for you and your family. As you can see, I was struggling with that dang whipped cream, but guess what? I moved it around and I got it to where it fit. So always make sure you're editing when you're organizing. It's okay. Purchase different size bins and things like that, so that way, you know, you can always switch it up. There's plenty of times where I'll buy a set to go in this particular area, and guess what? I don't use it in that area. So make it fun, make it work for you.
Talk to. I wanna have somebody.
Finally done, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Oh my goodness, that was a hard one. I am done though. So yeah, so thank you for sticking around. Like, subscribe, and share. See you guys in the next one.